everybody, this is Rolande Sumner, and I'm going to show you how to use the Vitality Day Serum. First, before you put on any serum or moisturizer, you want to make sure you start off with a clean face. So you'll start off with an everyday facial cleanser. And then after you've had your face dry, you'll then go to the Vitality Day Serum. Vitality Day Serum is lightweight, it's fast absorbing, and it leaves your skin nice and soft. So just take a little bit, drop 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand, and then you rub it into your face and your neck. I always get in a couple of extra rubs because it feels so good. After that, your face is ready and moisturized for the day. You can wear makeup on top of it, or you can choose not to. In extreme weather, in hot weather, in cold weather, in regular weather, your face will remain moisturized all day long.